In this video, we're going to explore how to use the array.isarray method in JavaScript. And this method, or isArray method, will basically analyze if an array or a variable or a constant is considered an array. If that's the case, it will show true. If that's not the case, it shows false. So let's start and explore how to do this. But before that, if you want to learn about Chart.JS, check out my Chart.JS course on Udemy. You can find the link in the description box. Alright, let's create here first a constant, and this constant will be called month, where we're going to put in 3 different month names. It could be anything you want, doesn't matter, but I'll just do January, Feb, and March, just to make it straightforward. And in here, we're going to check now, is the month an array? So what we're going to do here is we say here, array with capital letter A dot is array, and then we say month, and then we put in here a semicolon, and we can put this in a console.log, and let's save that. So once we save this, refresh, you will see here nothing happens, but open up the developer tab, you can see now this is considered true. So why did we do array here first? The first thing here is what we need to do in JavaScript is we need to indicate that this is, we want to use the array, and with that array we're going to check if whatever valuable or variable is here or value is in here is considered an array. So with this you can start to do a lot more. So let's try another one where we can create an array from a string, and from there on we will use this as well to double check. So let's say here constant, say string, and this string is a ABC, and in here we can say array dot from. So what we're doing with the from is basically we will create an array from a variable here as well, because this is basically a string. And if you would copy this now, put it in here, remove this, and then remove that. Alright, so you can see here there's 3 times there are parentheses. Make sure you pay attention to this. We save this, and then we refresh. You can see now it is true. Why is it true? Well, basically it considers this as an array. And if we would say here, we can console.log string, what happens then? You can see, oh, of course it's a string right now, but what we did was we created an array from. We need to make sure we have this piece of code in here. Save this. There you are. So this is an array as well. So if we would change this, and we will just make this ABC, or I don't make it ABC, but DEF. Alright, save this. Do we have the other one? Wait, we have the month. Alright, we'll just remove this, and we put this back to month. You will see now we get the value of false. Why false? Because it is considered now DEF. It's not considered an array. And this is basically how you can convert them. With the isArray, you convert the array and basically check if it's truly an array. Sorry, don't convert them, but you check if it's an array, which shows you true or false. So if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding to this, put them in the comment section below.